Grapes are climbing plants. So I'm starting with a simple cutting from a vine. I'll choose the nodes that are facing upwards, about 1 centimeter above the top node. I'll trim away the excess stem at the base, 2 centimeters below the bottom node. I'll also cut off the extra part. I've prepared a small plastic pot, about 15 by 13 centimeters. Let's fill the pot with rich soil. Insert the bottom node deep into the soil. And give it a generous drink of water until it's fully soaked. Now, I'm reusing an old paint bucket with holes already drilled at the bottom for drainage. A 2-liter water bottle and a smaller one. I'll draw a circle right on the side of the bucket. Using a soldering iron, I'll melt the plastic to create a perfect opening. These old bottles, I'm recycling them into a water chamber to deliver nutrients slowly to the plant. I'll drill a hole on the side of the bottle. And I'll use another bottle as a funnel, attaching it to the hole I just made. The mouth of the funnel is secured tightly with a cable tie. I'll add some foam pieces to the bottom. Now, I'll mix the soil with rice husks. Some composted chicken manure. And trichoderma fungi. Mix it all up thoroughly. Mix until the soil is so fluffy, light, and light, like this. 1 shovel at a time. We fill the bucket. I use long fabric strips to draw water from the bottle, so the soil stays perfectly moist. I've dug a hole to move our little vine into its new home. Look! Today, the grapevine has a strong and healthy root system. I'm using fermented coffee grounds. adding some molasses. And a little more trichogramma. I'll dilute this mixture with clean water. This solution is rich in nutrients. It keeps the soil airy, boosts the roots, and protects them from harmful fungi. Time to build a trellis for the vine to climb. I'll place 4 stakes around the bucket. I'll bend steel wires into circles and attach them to the stakes to make a solid frame. My vine has new sprouts. I'll prune the old and burnt leaves. Wow. Excited, don't you think my grapevine looks so lush and healthy? I still regularly feed it with the molasses and fertilizer mix so it can absorb all the nutrients it needs. Remember, only water the base. Avoid the leaves to prevent burning and keep pests away. Look at this. Pause. Beautiful clusters of tiny grapes everywhere. I will take care of them very carefully. First, slice some garlic. Put it all into a water bottle. Add a little dish soap and let it sit for an hour. Dilute it with clean water. Now we have a homemade organic pesticide, safe and effective. Spray it directly on the fruits and leaves to kill aphids and protect the plant. Watching these heavy clusters every day makes me so excited. After a month, those tiny grapes have grown so big and crowded together to get plump and juicy grapes. I'll thin out some of the smaller ones. Cinnamon powder. Pour hot water into the bottle and stir it well. Add some sliced aloe vera. Let this mixture ferment for 6 hours. Now, filter the solution. Pour it into the self-watering system. This nourishes the vine and boosts its immunity. Harvest day is almost here. The grapes are huge now, just waiting to ripen. During this time, I'll prune the old leaves to let the sunlight reach the clusters. This helps them ripen quickly and evenly. I'll also add some potassium for a sweeter taste. My vineyard is ready. Just look at the results. Fresh, juicy, and beautiful grapes. Thank you for watching until the end. Goodbye.